Today's video is on the top 3 best beard kits for men. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or the use of it, we've got you covered. For more information on products, I have included affiliate links below, which are updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget, Xikezan upgraded beard grooming kit. If you're looking for a complete solution to keep your beard smooth, shiny, and well-groomed, look no further. This specialized beard grooming and care kit has everything you need. It comes in a luxury gift box and includes a beard wash, beard conditioner, beard oil, beard balm, a beard comb, a beard brush, beard scissors, a travel storage bag, and even a beard ebook. This kit is perfect for all types of beards and mustaches, whether they're long or short, thick or thin, coarse or tangled. Let's talk about the beard wash and conditioner first. These products have premium, unique ingredients that are designed to hydrate, clean, and nourish your beard. They'll help straighten and soften your beard while protecting your skin from itching and irritation. Plus, they get rid of beard dandruff, so you can say goodbye to that itchy feeling. Now, let's move on to the beard oil and beard balm. These are formulated to soften your beard and condition your skin. They restore softness and shine to your beard, trapping essential vitamins and minerals for long-term nourishment. They also help make your beard look thicker and fuller. This kit also includes a beard brush, comb, and scissors, along with a helpful ebook. The boar bristle brush and wooden comb work together to massage your facial hair, stimulate oil production, and remove dirt. The sharp scissors provide precise trimming, and the ebook is packed with tips on how to maintain your beard. Xikezan stands behind the quality of its products, using only premium materials to ensure customer satisfaction. This beard care kit makes a fantastic gift for any occasion, including Christmas, birthdays, Father's Day, and Valentine's Day. It is an excellent choice for men, whether they are fathers, husbands, boyfriends, or any special person in one's life. Number 2, best overall, Isner Mile Beard Kit for men. Want to stand out from the crowd? A well-groomed beard is your ticket to getting noticed. With the confidence you'll gain from using this kit, you can tackle any goal that comes your way. It's designed for all types of beards or mustaches. Long, short, thick, thin, coarse, tangled, you name it. Stop searching around because the best beard care kit is right here. People are raving about how it's perfect for them. The unscented beard oil and beard balm are packed with organic ingredients that keep your facial hair and skin hydrated, soft, and healthy all day long. Impress everyone with your well-maintained beard. Whether you're aiming to be the king of the jungle or just look sharp, our boar bristle brush helps distribute oil and improves your hair texture and style. Looking for a great gift? This beard kit is ideal for birthdays, Valentine's Day, Father's Day, Christmas, or any special occasion. The stainless steel, scissors, and wooden comb make grooming easier than ever. Once you try this beard kit, you'll fall in love with it instantly. It's a smart choice with top quality products and excellent customer service to back it up. Number 1, our pick, Sandalwood Beard Set. For those who love the great outdoors, this beard care set is perfect. It combines the earthy, woody smell of sandalwood oil with the rich, natural scent of vetiver. There's also a touch of mandarin for a fresh, masculine finish. It's like taking a walk in the woods every time you use it. This product is packed with high-quality, plant-based ingredients that are both effective and gentle. You'll find shea butter, aloe vera, coconut oil, glycerin, hyaluronic acid, and witch hazel in the mix. And don't worry about any harsh chemicals. There are no parabens, no phthalates, and no dyes. Plus, it's never tested on animals, so you can feel good about using it. This isn't just any beard care product. It's made specifically for guys like you. The Beard Plus Face Wash is designed to clean away oil and build up from your beard and the skin underneath. After that, use the beard oil to condition and soften your beard. The beard butter helps to hydrate, relieving itchiness and dryness, while also taming those flyaways. Finally, the Recovery Beard Plus Face Lotion moisturizes and helps reduce itch, flakes, and irritation, It's a complete routine to keep your beard looking and feeling great. This set gives you everything you need for a full beard care routine. Start with cleansing the beard wash. Next, treat your skin with the Recovery Beard Plus Face Lotion. Finish up with hydrating using both the beard butter and beard oil. It's that simple to keep your beard in top shape. These products are made in the USA at the base of Mount Tamalpais in Marin County, California. They use eco-friendly packaging and are made with a lot of care. There are no parabens, phthalates, or dyes, and they're never tested on animals. It's great to support a brand that's committed to quality and responsibility. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research, so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.